What's up, guys? Another raccoon product, extra large 5-inch canister shells. Comes 12 in a box. I'm gonna fan 6 on the right and 6 on the left so we can hopefully see all the effects. There they are right there. Nice gold foil on those two. Fiberglass tubes are nice that it comes with. Gives you 2. Alright, let's do this raccoon. Fireworks. Man. These are going to be the extra large raccoon shells. They're all sitting on the bottom, ready to go. Okay. We got the 6 on the right and the 6 on the left. Hopefully they all go off, which they should. Alright, ready?